In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can empty your trash can on a macOS. So the first step is you want to find trash can, and we can find it if you hover your mouse on your dock at the bottom. And usually it's on the right side, the last thing over here. And you can see there are like trashes in the trash bin. So this means the trash is full. So some items are here and you can open it by clicking on it. You can see I have some videos over here. And now to empty it, you want to click on this small empty button and it's going to ask you if you are sure, because this is going to permanently erase the items in the trash. So if you are sure, just confirm empty trash can. And then it's going to empty the trash. So you can see the trash bin is empty. And if you want to add items to it, just simply want to click on the item and you can drag it like this. Or if you select items and you press Command and delete on your keyboard, it's automatically going to add them to trash. And then you can empty the trash bin. And you can also empty it by right clicking on it and then click on empty trash. Alright, so this was a quick video how you can empty your trash can on macOS. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.